Let's put it all together. We have this function that calculates the note from the fret, and so you give it a string and the fret number, and it will give you a note. So for example, suppose you want to string the 4th string and the 8th fret. That's a B flat. So the 4th string, we're here. And then the 8th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is in fact is a B flat or an A sharp. So now let's do it. We've been studying the A minor pentatonic on the guitar practice and guitar exercises on Instagram and YouTube. So it's the 5th fret on the 6th string, and it goes 1st tonic, A, minor 3rd, C, perfect 4th, D, 5th, E, minor 7, G. So let's do it. Let's create a stream. This will create our musical score. I'm putting this rest just so we have some space here before we play the MIDI. So this is like append to the stream half rest. Then we are creating a minor pentatonic, calling the function minor pentatonic, and we're giving as the tonic, calling this other function, we're giving the 6th string and the 5th fret. This is the H2. It will call here, so it's the A minor pentatonic. I will append the notes. It's a list of notes that this function here returns. I'm appending to the score, and I'm calling this here Lily, is because I'm using the Lily Pond tool. And this is just, as I explained before, a hack so I can display here. So there we go. Let's listen to it. MIDI. So there it is. That's our pentatonic, A minor pentatonic. That's it. So in this tutorial, we learn how to create a function that you can give any note and it will return the minor pentatonic. If you don't know the note name, you can use this fret to note function here, that you give a string and you give it a fret. It will tell you which note it is. But I highly recommend that you study the intervals and where the notes are on the neck, on the fretboard. If you're a beginner, there's also some tutorials on Guitars AI, and I'm exploring the minor pentatonic and all its intervals and where they are, how they sound. But you can also now calculate intervals. Yeah, you can give different intervals, not only the minor pentatonic. We will see later when we reach the major pentatonic, the Greek modes, different scales, major scale, minor scales. We will generalize this function here that we can give, it returns any scale. We can also use the built-in functions from Music 21 that they already built that give you back the scales. We will learn more about how to create musical scores, how to save a MIDI file. So that's it. I hope you liked it. We have seen here some basics. There's how to create an interval, how to create a scale, how to listen in MIDI, how to generate this musical score. And that's it. Check you later. Fera, Guitars AI. computer-aided musicology, music theory, using the computer, using your instrument. Happy days!